Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen T1 if I'm not wrong, and this is by Majorette, and this is from their Volkswagen series. And so more specifically, this is like this full metal version. So you can see here rubber tires, suspension, opening parts, licensed vehicle, metal body with plus chassis. So this I bought for 599, and so this Majorette actually does this really well, specifically this particular series, not only in Volkswagen, even for, but mostly they did for Volkswagen only. There is a Porsche Deluxe version as well, and there are other cars, but it didn't come in India. I did order that from a couple of my friends, but I need to get those. So like Countach, that Dubai police car version. So it is still stuck with them. So I don't know when I'm going to get that. Okay, so let's talk about this now. Okay, this is the tin version, tin box actually, and it is really tight. Closes really well, and the graphics looks absolutely nice. I mean, honestly, that this is what this is what I expect if I'm paying 600 rupees for a casting. I mean, they can able to do that, right? Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, so let me close everything first. So let's look at the casting. Okay, so this looks so beautiful with this paint job and the livery and everything. Wow, that is really nice. And as usual, the good thing, it has acrylic headlights. The logo placement is really nice. It is a little bit off, but I mean, if you are like me who expects it to be perfect, then yeah, it is going to tick you off a little bit. So it has wiper details as well. It has interior details also, which is really nice. And again, this is true to this casting. You can see the steering wheel. I never actually saw this cars in real life. I mean, in person, but I saw this. This fans in movies and in series, and even in some of the car shows as well. So this is how it actually looks. I mean, they did that really well. I mean, okay, this is that is metal, full metal, metal body and metal chassis. That looks so beautiful. I mean, the chassis color itself is cream color. That is really nice. Instead of just giving black color like Hot Wheels does always, they gave like cream color here. And this has rubber tires. The rims looks really nice. This is a rubber tire with threading as well. And okay, so now let's go to the openable part here. Okay, you can open it till this point here. I mean, that is absolutely nice. You can see everything here from, I mean, from this point of view. I mean, that is so beautiful, man. That is really nice. Okay, let me just, yeah. Okay, it does have suspension. Let's try that once. Yeah, it is tight, but it does have suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Maybe around 60 grams, 55 to 60 grams. Let's see. Okay, 67 grams. Wow, that is absolutely awesome. Okay, again, I don't think this is going to really roll well, but let's try. It rolls good for rubber tire, for casting with rubber tire, and that is actually heavy casting. It does have a lot of wheel wobble to it, both wheels. But see, personally, I'm not going to play with it, but it does roll good. It does roll really good. I'm really happy that I actually bought this one. It has taillight details as well. Everything is metal, including the bumper, and everything is metal. Front bumper, rear bumper, everything. So if you get a chance to get this Volkswagen series, go ahead and get it. That is really worth your money, and you can keep it inside this tin box safely. I mean, what else you want? I mean, I'm really asking. What else you want? Sorry, you have everything you need here. Full metal casting, rubber wheels, acrylic headlights, fully painted, a case to carry, suspension, true detailing here. I mean, I'm happy. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.